Everyone who exalts himself will be humbled, but the one who humbles himself will be exalted. Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. As I mentioned at the beginning of the Mass, St. Charles Borromeo took the episcopal motto, Humilitas, humility. And it is providential and a very nice coincidence that on the day that we celebrate his memorial, when we recall his sanctity, the gospel of the day speaks about humility. But really, what is humility? What does it mean to be humble? We hear that many times, be humble, be humble. What does it mean? Well, first of all, I will say what it does not mean. Humility is not slavery. Humility is not impoverishment or deprivation. Humility is not ignorance. Hindi siya, ang kababaang loob ay hindi nangangahulugan ng pagiging alipin. Ang kababaang loob ay hindi nangangahulugan ng kawalan. Ang kababaang loob ay hindi nangangahulugan ng kawalang nalalaman o ignorance, kabobohan. At nakita natin ito o makikita natin ito sa buhay ni San Carlos Borromeo. So, let me explain myself. What is humility not? It is not slavery. Contrary or opposite to slavery is power. And St. Charles Borromeo walked on the corridors of power. He belonged to a powerful family. His uncle was a pope, Pius IV, the brother of his mother. At the age of 22, Charles Borromeo was made a cardinal by his own uncle. If that is nepotism, I do not know what is. No? He walked with power. But, and this is the beauty, power did not possess him. Power did not possess him, but rather, he used the power given to him to improve, not his life, not his situation, but the people around him and the people serving the church. Ginawa siyang arsobispo ng Milan sa Italia ng kanyang sariling uncle. And much as his uncle wanted him to stay in Rome, St. Charles would always ask permission to go back to Milan, to be a real archbishop, not only in name. Kasi nung panahong yon, usong-uso yung tinatawag ng mga absentee bishops. Archbishops of this and that, but they are not residing there. St. Charles Borromeo wanted to be in Milan so that he can serve the people of Milan. That is power. Power does not mean slavery, or humility does not mean slavery, but rather power being used for the betterment of others. Ganun ang kababaang loob. Hindi naghahanap ng titulo, hindi naghahanap ng karangalan, katulad ng narinig natin sa Ebanghelyo, chasing honors. St. Charles Borromeo did not chase honors. Honors came to him. Powers came to him. He did not seek power. Power came to him. but he used that power to serve and make people better. Humility is not impoverishment or deprivation. With power comes material wealth. Alam naman natin yan, no? May kapangyarihan ka, may yaman ka. Pero sa kabila ng kanyang yaman, si San Carlos Borromeo ay ginamit ang kanyang yaman, yung tinatanggap niya bilang arsobispo ng Milan, yung tinatanggap niya bilang kardinal ng simbahan, hindi para patabain ang kanyang sarili, hindi para pasarapin ang kanyang buhay, kundi, again, para gamitin ang kanyang yaman sa paglilingkod sa kanyang kapwa. Nung dumating ang pandemya sa Milan, ginamit niya ang kanyang mga gamit. Ibinenta ang mga gamit sa palasyo ng obispo. Maging ang mga kurtina na mga magaganda ay ginamit para maging damit. That is humility. Using God's gift to serve other people. Using God's gift not for one's own sake, but for the sake of the people around him. That is Charles Borromeo. Akala kasi natin kumisan, ang kababaang loob ay yun lamang mga taong simple, yung mga taong walang sinabi sa lipunan, mababang loob. Hindi. Not necessarily. Charles Borromeo was rich, materially wealthy, but he used his wealth to make people better. And then, humility is not ignorance. St. Charles Borromeo studied well, read books, made himself knowledgeable in order to be of better service to the church. Kaya nga siya yung tinuturing na patron ng mga seminaryo sapagkat sa kanyang panahon ay nabuo ang idea ng seminaryo kung saan ang mga magpapari ay titipunin, tuturuan, pag-aaralin, nang sa ganon maging handa sa kanilang paglilingkod bilang pari. Before him, there were no seminaries. He started it all because he wanted the priests to be educated, learned, knowledgeable. Humility is not stupidity. Humility is not ignorance. Humility is learning. And all of this we see in the life of St. Charles Borromeo. Humilitas. Kaya totoo siyang mababang loob, hindi dahil sa wala siyang kapangyarihan, hindi dahil sa wala siyang yaman, hindi dahil sa siya'y bobo, kundi ang lahat ng ito, mga regalo ng Diyos, ay kanyang ginamit para sa simbahan at para sa mga kapwa niya. You know, in the gospel, we are being invited by the Lord, do not seek the place of honors. That is pride. But when honors come to us without being sought, and use the honors for the sake of people, that is humility. Kaya anuman ang binibigay sa atin ng Diyos na regalo, anumang biyaya ang tinatanggap natin mula sa Panginoon, magpasalamat tayo. Pero tandaan natin, ang mga ito ay hindi para sa atin, kundi para sa iba. Kapag ginagawa natin ito, tinatanggap natin kung sino ang nagbigay at bakit ibinigay. Yan ang kababaang loob. Hilingin natin ang panalangin ni San Carlos upang tayong lahat, batay sa kanyang halimbawa, ay magkaroon ng mga pusong may kababaan. Amen.
Please stand.